How to make a video or audio call in Google Chat. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a video or audio call in Google Chat app. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, open up your Google Chat app and log into your account if you haven't. And here at the bottom you will see different options. Simply go to the chat section. Now here select the chat you want to make a video or audio call with. So once you are inside the chat, what you have to do is next to the name at the top, you can see the call option there. You can press that button if you want to make an audio call, or if you want to make a video call, all you have to do is just click on the video option and that will initiate the video call. So that's how you can easily make a video or audio call in Google Chat. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.